Do you spend hours trying to turn boring paragraphs into beautiful flowcharts that don't look like a mess? Napkin AI says it has the answer, and I went through every page of Napkin.ai to give you an honest review. The concept is simple. You paste your text, click a button, and Napkin generates the most relevant diagram, chart, or scene based on your content. According to their website, you can then edit everything from colors to shapes and export as PPT, PNG, PDF, or SVG. The positives are strong. First, no prompting needed, which saves time and frustration. Second, the visuals automatically match the language of your text in over 60 languages. Great for international teams. There are 3 pricing tiers for what appears to be Napkin AI service, with monthly or yearly payment options. The free plan is available forever at zero cost, offering 500 AI credits per week along with unlimited visuals editing, file imports, and PNG PDF exports, but includes Napkin branding. The popular Plus plan costs $9 per person per month and builds on free with 10,000 AI credits monthly, unlimited PPT and SVG exports, brand styles, bold icons, removal of branding, plus team management. The Pro plan at $22 per person per month adds everything from Plus, including 30,000 AI credits, exclusive designs, unlimited custom branding, font uploads, and optional credit top-ups for advanced users. See you later, fellow.